Can I renew my Florida driver's license online?
Hello, folks. Today, we're going to tackle an essential question many of us have. Can I renew my Florida driver's license online? The good news is, yes, you can. In this video, we will walk you through the steps you need to follow.
Is my license eligible for online renewal?
The first thing you need to check is whether your license is eligible for online renewal. Generally, most Florida driver's licenses can be renewed online. However, some restrictions apply. For example, if your license is suspended, revoked, or expired for 6 months or more, you cannot renew it online.
What information do I need?
Before starting the renewal process, make sure you have all the necessary information at hand. This typically includes your current driver's license, your social security number, proof of residency. Remember, having these details ready will make the process faster and smoother.
How do I renew my license online?
After you've gathered all the necessary information, follow these steps. 1. Visit the official Florida Highway Safety and Motor Vehicles (FLHSMV) website. 2. Locate the driver license check and ID tracking system. 3. Enter the required information and follow the instructions to renew your license.
What's the cost of renewal?
The standard renewal fee for a Class E driver's license in Florida is typically around $48 as of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021. Prices may vary, so check the FLHSMV website for the most current information. And that's it. Renewing your Florida driver's license online is quite a straightforward process, as long as you have the required information and follow the steps diligently. We hope this video was informative and will make your license renewal process a breeze. Drive safely.